If you don't already have a screwdriver set like this, you are missing out. Really inexpensive, but it comes in handy all the time. Now, I've worked with computers and electronics my whole life, so I've used a bunch of different sets. This style is my absolute favorite for a few reasons. For one, all of the bits aren't jammed in there. They come out nice and easy, really easy and organized. They have pictures of all the bits so you know where to put everything, nice and organized, and it has just about everything. The other cool thing is when you close the lid, the bits stow away, and so it's nice and compact. This can move around. The bits don't go anywhere. They are snug into place. So again, organization is key. I love that about this set. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. This is fantastic. So this obviously is the pink set. On the back here, it lists what all the different bits are. Always satisfying to open the case here. Boom. Right here, you've got your magnetizer. Go ahead and have a look at this. Let's take out a bit. Just get this normal Phillips bit. If this is not as magnetized as you want it to be, you can go ahead and get it a little bit more magnetized. But check out how nice this is. This just drops into place. No struggle to get any of these bits out at all. Here's kind of a closer look at all of the bits. You can see there's just about anything you could ever need. And of course, you've got your tweezers as well with the nice cap on that. These come in handy quite a bit. And you've got your extender as well if you need it. So with the driver, all the bits kind of snap into place magnetically so they stay put. That's really nice. Then they've got your nice rubber grip on your fingers, and then of course the back here rotates so that you can turn extra fast. So here's my ThinkPad. It just uses the Phillips screws. It grips nice and easy. Now these screws don't actually come out all the way. It goes in easy as well. Here's my MacBook with a star. Let's try 1.2. Nice, first try. So this comes out nice and easy, and you can see it is magnetic. So the screw has stuck to the driver. That's exactly what I want. We'll pop that back into place, put that back in. Nice control. I don't really have a single complaint with this. Again, I've used a lot of similar sets as this. This is the only one I've used that is pink, and that doesn't seem to impact it one way or the other. Still works really well. Having the magnetizer here is a little bit unique. I haven't seen it there before, but I really like it. If you don't already have a screwdriver set like this, this is one of those things that needs to be in every household. Most people won't use it all the time, but when you need it, having the right tool is the only way to go.